Mr. Hank went for a little ATV ride today. He's moving up to the new outdoor pasture here.
Water delivery.
We seem to have a couple of pretty excited outdoor pigs right now. They found the wet spot already. So they're just inside a metal cage here. They got a little wooden house with their mat inside.
This is the house we made for the pigs. It's the frame from an IBC container, the one we used for hauling water. And it just got board screwed onto it. And I made a little set of trusses for a roof, and that's about it. When the pigs are gone, I'm going to use it for a dog house if it's any good. I was working on making water for the pigs. So I got this section of an old oil tank. And I just cleaned it out really good with the hose and scrubbed it inside. And then on the back, I just used the fitting that was coming out of the tank and teed it off. A couple of 6-inch nipples over to 290s that go to the pig nipples. Thank you to the viewer that sent us the pig nipples. Yeah, that's pretty well it. It'd be able to hold a bit of water now. We were using that little red thing in there. And anyways, they knock it over frequently. We also put this tarp up today just to give them some shade. They're still laying in the sun. They're all tanned up. I'm gonna move this pen over to this spot. Another couple days. I'm just waiting for them to root it up, and then I'm gonna move the trailer on over with it, and then eventually we're gonna grow something in this section after it's all tilled up and they get rid of all the roots for us. Yeah, yes, that's it. Wanted to give you a look at the pig water, and we'll see you next time.